Welcome to the Sirius Penthouse, the pinnacle of luxury living in Sydney. Spanning an impressive 430 square metres across 2 levels, this residence offers a masterclass in contemporary design and unrivaled harbour views. Perched atop the iconic Sirius building, this penthouse is a true masterpiece, crafted by renowned architect BVN and internationally acclaimed designer Kelly Hoppen. From every room, you're greeted with breathtaking 360-degree panoramas, including the iconic Sydney Opera House and Harbour Bridge. Whether you're hosting on the expansive terrace or unwinding in the opulent master suite, the Sydney skyline and harbour serves as your stunning backdrop. The penthouse features 4 spacious bedrooms and 4.5 luxurious bathrooms, all adorned with the finest finishes. Elegant colour-cutter marble and custom oak cabinetry set a sophisticated tone throughout. The open-plan living and dining areas are designed for both intimate gatherings and grand entertaining. They seamlessly flow onto a generous entertainer's terrace, which boasts a private heated pool with spectacular views. The gourmet kitchen is a culinary dream, equipped with top-of-the-line Wolf and Sub-Zero appliances, including a gas cooktop, oven, steam oven, and a wine fridge. The master bedroom is a private retreat, featuring a sitting area, a spacious dressing room, and a lavish ensuite bathroom complete with a bath, rainfall and handheld showers, as well as twin basins. Each of the additional 3 bedrooms is designed with its own ensuite, built-in wardrobes, and either a balcony or terrace, ensuring that every guest enjoys their own slice of luxury. The penthouse is also equipped with ducted air conditioning, a concealed laundry, European oak floors, and sophisticated designer lighting. For added security, the property includes video intercom, home automation, and 3 car spaces in a secure basement area. Residents of the Sirius building benefit from elite lifestyle amenities, including concierge services, a gym, a sauna, and a resort-style pool. Located in the vibrant heart of the Rocks and Circular Quay precinct, you'll have access to harbourside walks, cultural attractions, celebrated dining, and the city centre right at your doorstep. The Sirius Penthouse represents the ultimate in Sydney's harbour lifestyle: luxurious, secure, and undeniably spectacular.